Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make coloring book in Canva. So guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my Canva. So first we need to go in create, and here we need to select that coloring book Canva size. So here come to the search bar and search for coloring book or booklet. Okay, okay, here we have some sizes. You can check size, and here the A5 size. Okay, you can choose any. I just choose this one, A5. So now we have the page or canvas. So you can add the border on this page. For that we need to go in shapes, and here, sorry, go to the elements, and here you need to search for shapes, and here shapes has been come. Go to the see all, select that shapes, and just make big size and make it fit to the canvas. Okay, you can, okay, just increase the size like this. Now you can put the border, you can change that thickness by 5 or 4. Here you can change that line color. Now go to the color options and make it no color. Now we have this border line. Okay, so now we need to add the shapes, add the elements or lion's picture to on this page. So go to the elements here and search for, I just search for outline, tiger outline. Here come to the graphics. Here you can see all outline pictures of tigers. You need to just select that pictures. Okay, it will be put on page. Now you can increase the size like this. Okay, make it middle. Now go to text, add the text. You can add the title, heading. Okay, make it, keep it very middle, and just rename it tiger. You can also change that font here, like comic, like this. Increase the size. You can change the color of this font if you want. Okay, okay, you can make more bold. Here the underline you want, you can put it. So now we have insert that all thing. Now you can simply copy that page and create the another page. Now delete that existing shapes or image, and you can search for another. Go to the three dot option here, and you can see more like this. Okay, here we have more options like parrots and everything. Okay, you need to go any image or shapes and just click on three dot option and go to see more like this. So you will have more and more option here. You can put one by one. Okay, and here have one more option on the Canva. Okay, just duplicate the page, delete that existing image. Here go to the magic media, or go to the app, or search for magic media. Okay, so here the magic media tools. Okay, now come to the graphics, and you need to, okay, put your prompt or description, so that Canva can generate the image or that outline image. So you can write like create dinos tiger outline image for coloring book. Kids can color on it. And here the style, you can try this style if you want, and go to the generate graphics. So it will be start generate. It is like AI. Okay, so you can choose any picture. You can regenerate by edit your prompt, and if you like any image output, you can just go to the three dot option and go to the generate more like this. So it will be generate more like this. Okay, once it's done, you can insert to the canvas. Okay, just click on image and it will be insert to the canvas. Okay, now once you done all your work and that all images, then you need to just go to the share here, go to the download, and make sure download as a PDF print. Okay, and you can select all pages or any random page from here. Like if you want to print 1 and 2, you can select from here, or you can select all page. Now here you can use this option, but it's like high volume or high file size, so you can use this also if it is for normal coloring page or book. Okay, and now you can simply download it. After download, you can print it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.